Hello everyone, I am Kaushal Prasad Srivastava from Jagran Public School Varanasi. Today I am going to discuss class 10th biology life processes. In this video, we will discuss life processes, nutrition, nutrient, mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic mode of nutrition, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and nutrition in human beings. Let's start from life processes. What is life processes? The basic functions performed by living organism to maintain their life on this earth are called life processes. The basic life processes common to all the living organisms are nutrition, respiration, transportation, control and coordination, growth, movement and reproduction. It means these are the basic life processes common to all living organisms. Nutrition, process of obtaining nutrient from the environment, that is intake of food and then its digestion in the body, that is called nutrition. Nutrient, a nutrient can be defined as a substance which an organism obtains from its surroundings and uses it as a source of energy or for the biosynthesis of its body constituents. For example, carbohydrate and fats are the nutrient. We can say that nutrient may be organic and inorganic substances which an organism obtains from its surrounding. Mode of nutrition. Basically, there are two types of mode of nutrition: autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, it is the production of food with the help of sunlight. We all know that all green plants synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. This is the equation of photosynthesis in which carbon dioxide and water molecule combine to form glucose, that is simple sugar. Steps of photosynthesis. The photosynthesis takes place in the following 4 steps: absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen by light energy, reduction of carbon dioxide to form carbohydrate like glucose by utilizing the chemical energy. Heterotrophic nutrition generally take up energy from plants and animals by using them as a food. Mostly it is 3 types: holozoic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and saprotrophic nutrition. What is holozoic mode of nutrition? Those organisms which intake their food in the form of solid substances, that is called holozoic mode of nutrition. Example, amoeba and all animal. Parasitic, those organisms which obtain their food from living hosts, that is called parasitic mode of nutrition. Example, plasmodium. Saprotrophic mode of nutrition, those organisms which obtain their food from dead and decaying substances, that is called saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Example, bacteria and fungus. Come to digestion. What is digestion? The process of breakdown of complex food substances into simple soluble form called digestion. Human digestive system. It consists of long alimentary canal that include mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. There are some digestive glands also present in the human digestive system like salivary gland, gastric gland, pancreas, liver and intestinal gland. This is a diagrammatical structure of human digestive system. Digestion starts from mouth or oral cavity or buccal cavity. It open into the pharynx, pharynx open into the esophagus, esophagus open into the stomach, stomach open into the small intestine open into the large intestine and it open through anus. It also have some digestive gland like pancreas, gastric gland present on the inner lining of the stomach, liver which secrete bile and it is stored in the gallbladder. Let's see the mechanism of digestion in human digestive system. Saliva is secreted by salivary gland located under the tongue, which contain digestive enzyme like salivary amylase, which break down starch into sugar. So digestion of carbohydrate start in the mouth itself. The food from mouth then goes down the esophagus, which is the food pipe, to the stomach through the movement of wall of esophagus, that is peristalsis movement. What is peristalsis movement? The contraction of muscular wall of esophagus that create a easy passage of food into the stomach, that is called peristalsis movement. The stomach mixes the food hence received with various digestive juices. I have already told you that inner lining of the stomach have gastric gland which secrete mucus, hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and pepsin. The role of mucus is to protect the inner lining of the stomach from HCl. The role of HCl is to provide acidic medium and also activate inactive pepsinogen into active pepsin. The role of pepsin is to break down the complex protein into amino acid. The food from the stomach eventually move into the small intestine. Digestion in small intestine, it is the longest part of alimentary canal, about 6.5 meter long. It is the site where complete digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats takes place. It gets intestinal juices from two different glands, liver and pancreas, that help in the further digestion of food. Liver is the largest gland of the body and secrete bile juice. Bile juice is stored in the gallbladder and has significant role in the digestion of fats. Pancreas has enzymes that help in total digestion of all food components. The digestive tract and associated gland together constitute the digestive system. Let's come to next life processes, that is respiration. It is controlled by enzymes and energy is released from the breakdown of organic substances. It is of two types, that are aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration, generally it takes place in the presence of oxygen. That means oxidation of food material by oxygen. It produces 36 ATP. The step followed in cellular respiration. First step is breakdown of glucose into pyruvate in the cytoplasm. Second step, pyruvate is then broken down into carbon dioxide and water, and it takes place in the mitochondria, where energy is produced in the form of ATP. Anaerobic respiration, it is the oxidation of nutrient without using up the oxygen. It gives 2 ATP. Step of anaerobic respiration start from glycolysis in the cytoplasm, and then formation of pyruvic acid takes place. In the second step, breakdown of pyruvic acid into ethanol and water and energy in case of each cell, and lactic acid and energy in muscle cell. This is all about digestion and respiration in human beings. I hope it will be understood to all of you. I have given some question in this video. After watching this, you all are able to solve this. So the first question is, which of the following is not a digestive enzyme contained in the pancreatic juice? Second, among the following, choose the correct option which include the organism that have holozoic mode of nutrition. The enzyme pepsin and trypsin are secreted respectively by which gland? Which of the following help in protecting the inner lining of the stomach from harmful effect of HCl? Thank you for watching.